In today's video, we are going to show you how to update the pCloud desktop app to make sure you are using the latest version with the newest features and fixes. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the pCloud desktop app on your computer. Okay? And then hover to the left side panel of the dashboard and click the About tab. As you may notice, you would instantly notice that there is a blue button here that says check for updates. Okay? If I click on it, if an update is found, you should be able to see an option to download and install. But since my pCloud app is up to date, I don't have to do anything. But for you, if you see that, click it and wait for the update to finish. Once you've done that, all you have to do is super simple. Restart the pCloud app to apply the changes. Once it reopens, you are now officially running the latest version. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to update the pCloud app. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.